Identify your problems, but give your power and energy to solutions. Your past does not equal your future. The path to success is to take massive, determined action. Live life fully while you're here. Experience everything. Take care of yourself and your friends. Have fun, be crazy, be weird. Go out and screw up. You're going to anyway, so you might as well enjoy the process. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. If you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results you want and copy what they do, and you'll achieve the same results. I challenge you to make your life a masterpiece. I challenge you to join the ranks of those people who live what they teach, who walk their talk. We can change our lives. We can do, have, and be exactly what we wish. If you can't, you must. If you must, you can.